August 19, 2025. I got a call from a lady. She got a couple of gas fireplaces. She wants me to go over there and service them. It said there was a dead bat in one of them. You know, they're like gas inserts they put in a fireplace, and you know, they could run natural gas on demand with these gas inserts, gas fireplace inserts. Kind of common around here. They're nice if you run out of power. You could turn that thing will run, you know, just on the gas, and you could heat up the area. They work pretty good. You know, with a regular fireplace, you put a log in there and you create a big draft in the chimney. It sucks all the heat out of the house. But with those gas fireplace inserts, they're all sealed combustion, and they give off quite a bit of heat, and they don't really create that draft problem, suck all the heat out of the house. They actually work pretty good. So got a couple of them. She wants me to. We'll try to get you a shot of the bat in there, see what it looks like a little mouse with wings, I guess. A bat. Gotta be careful, don't get no flipping. Why would you wear gloves? I can never figure it out. Why somebody would wear gloves? Oh, okay. Whatever you say, guy. I got these comments. I don't understand. What's the theory on wearing the gloves? Yeah. Do the gloves really help? What's the theory behind wearing gloves? I don't get it. That's what they tell me. What's the benefit of wearing gloves? I'm only working on flipping drains and shit pipe and everything else, all kinds of, you know, bacteria and diseases you could catch, and hepatitis, and who the hell knows what else. Why would you wear gloves? I can never figure it out. Okay. Oh yeah, there's a bat right there. Yeah, a little bat. Should be a receiver in this thing. I don't see it. I don't see the receiver. A lot of times there's a clip on the bottom on the screws. Oh, the flies coming out. The bats in the middle. He's dead. It's a little stiff. I'd like to clean that if I could. I think you got bats in the belfry.
Yeah. Well, in all honesty, this is the first year in 37 years that this has happened. Must have been waiting for you to come.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get kicked out. All this stuff is supposed to be up in here, the glow stuff. Flame on. Let it heat up a bit, there it goes. No spark. There it goes. That's pretty good there. That's pretty good. Turn this to on. There it goes. Turn it to on. Put this in the middle. Alright, now put it in the middle.
Looking pretty
It's
good.
working. I cleaned it and gave it a good scrubbing. And
Yeah, we get it serviced every year. Hopefully we'll be coming back every year if we can, because that's what
I
Bob.
turned the pilot. You want the pilot on or you want it off?
You know what? You might as well keep it on because the mornings are getting. You know,
It doesn't hurt to leave it on because what happens is if you shut it off, the spiders tend to want to go in there
Oh, okay.
and make like a nest. I mean, it's not a big deal to shut it off for the summer, but...
Yep.
And then you turn it on like this. You service it this time of year because it's going to start getting cool anyway.
You got it.
Kind of a nice unit, actually.
And the school system.
Yeah, this is definitely a different
good
one.
too, so.
This one don't look too bad, actually. This is definitely different. Wow. Well, it looks like the gas is off on this thing, no? Definitely different. Oh, this is electronic one. Says off. There it goes, it just fired up. The light's off. Flame. This is definitely a high-end unit. Electronic valve in the back there. This one here looks pretty good. I did change the batteries in the back here. I don't know if this one has a receiver back there or not. As soon as I get shit in the back, I don't seem to be working back there. There's Max. It's just condensation.